What's going on? Welcome to our channel, Naughty Life. My name is Alex and my wife Jill and I do fishing, boating videos, everything to do on the water here in Southwest Florida. And today we're doing a quick tutorial on how to tie the improved clinch knot. Now, if you watched our previous video on the clinch knot, this knot is very similar with one additional step. So it's still a great beginner fishing knot, but it allows you to fish for a little bit larger fish, use a little bit more gear, heavier lures, and just have a little bit more peace of mind that you've got a much stronger knot. As always with our knot videos, we're gonna be using oversized hooks as well as 80-pound high-vis braid just for demonstration purposes only. In saltwater applications, you're going to be using some type of mono or fluorocarbon leader line. With that being said, we'll link our full beginner fishing knot video down in the description below. It has a full breakdown at the beginning of the video on how and when to use leader line. If you'd like to check it out, we'll put it down in the description box for you. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out a ton. It's free for you to do. And with that, let's tie the improved clinch knot.
Similar to the first one, we're going to take our line, feed it through the hook. We're going to then take our tag end and we're going to wrap it 5 times around our line. Next, we're going to take the tag end and we're going to come through this first loop that we created. Now, once you get your tag end through this first loop, you'll see that you've then created a second loop up here at the top. So I'll do that one more time for you. Here's your tag end. You're coming through this loop here and you've created now this second loop at the top. You're simply going to take that tag end, come back through that loop that you created there, and then as you'll see here, you can cinch it down and it'll pull straight down to the eye of the hook, nice and clean. Go ahead and clip your tag end as usual, and you are ready to fish.
All right, y'all, well, we hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider giving us a like as well as subscribing. Again, it's totally free for you to do. It helps us reach a wider audience. And we've got lots of cool stuff coming up. We've got more fishing tips, tricks, knot videos, on the water content, subscriber giveaways, just a ton of cool stuff that is coming down the pipeline. So if you'd like to be a part of it, we hope you'll subscribe. With that being said, life's short, live naughty. We'll catch you in the next one.